Hello everyone. A short video. I'm just going to leave a link to Guns and Gadgets. If you are a firearms owner, your privacy is being infringed by the ATF with a backdoor registry, which a gun registry is already been deemed illegal by the United States Supreme Court, and they are doing things to make a registry on their own without governmental approval. So if you would, we only have 2 days to act on this. I'm going to supply the link to Guns and Gadgets, and you watch his video, and there will be a link in his description to where you can go down and send an email through Guns of America and let your voice be heard. It is none of the government's business what we have in our homes, as long as it is legal. And any legally purchased firearm is none of their business what you have. It's legal, it's already purchased, and they are not supposed to be taking pictures of the ATF form at the gun shop where you bought it. That is supposed to stay there. After the background check, the FBI deletes the background check in 24 hours. So the only place that is supposed to be is at the gun shop where you bought it. Other than that, no one is supposed to know what you have or where you have it, let alone your name, address, type of firearm, whatever. So check out Guns and Gadgets and have a great day. Please take action. Protect our rights, protect our freedoms. Without the Second Amendment, the rest of them will fall easily. Don't forget what happened with Germany. Don't forget what happened with Russia or China. Over 150 million people died from the hands of the government during the 20th century, and that is a low estimate of how many deaths occurred from government to their own citizens. Thank you.